got the Tokyo treat box. The Tokyo treat box. Finally. Japanese candy snacks. Oh my gosh. This came from Japan. So it's time to open. Let's open it. Ready to open
Hey,
it?
who broke their treat box?
I don't know, but let's open it. Ready? Dun, da, da, da. Comes in a nice box and it just folds open. How beautiful! It says, treat yourself, spread the love, post and tag. Post and tag. We got the April edition. The snack menu. This is the snack menu. Tells you what it is. Cool. So now it's time to try it. Let's leave that over here.
What should we try first? What's this?
You want to try that first? Okay, you pick the first thing. What is it? Wait, let's see what it is. Show what it is. This is Moringa Ga. Tokyo treat, Tokyo treat. This, what is this? This is a custard pudding snack. Chocolate balls.
I don't want to try that.
What? You have to try it.
We can try it though.
Okay,
This.
okay. What is this? Yum! Tastes like chocolate. White chocolate.
White chocolate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
I like it.
Now my turn. What is this? This is, looks like a corn chip thing. This is, does it say? Oh, there we go. Don Tacos grilled corn flavor. This is a corn dish from Japan.
I was looking at the menu.
That's okay. You can look at the menu. Let's rip a corner off. Oh, these are like Doritos. Mmm. It literally tastes like buttered corn. Seriously, it does.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. You like this one?
Man, I can't stop eating these things.
I like this one.
Yeah.
Oh, he wants to go. Bye-bye. Okay.
Now my
Your turn. Pick one.
What's this?
Okay. Oh, boy. He picked this one. This one is Choco Banana Do-It-Yourself Kit. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
It shows you instructions how to do it. Okay, we'll try to open this as neatly as we can.
I think this one might be good.
You think so?
Chocolate.
Look. Oh, it smells like bananas. Oh my gosh, it's just such a strong banana smell. Okay, it smells crazy, like crazy bananas.
I want to make.
Okay, so he's gonna make it. What is this? Okay, wait, how do we do this? These are supposed to be the bananas. Then they give us some sprinkles and some chocolate. Alright, so the bananas are here, go in here. Then the chocolate goes in one section and the sprinkles go in another. You put the banana on the stick and you dip it in the chocolate, then you dip it in the sprinkles, alright? So, okay, there's an opening for the chocolate. Ooh.
I got some sprinkles. I'll put one here.
Excuse me. Okay, we get the Oh! Okay. Pretty good. Okay, let's go. You gonna make it? Okay, we got the sprinkles and the chocolate. So go ahead, stick. Careful, don't poke yourself. Okay, dip it in the chocolate. Swirl it with chocolate. Oh, a lot of chocolate. Alright. Okay, now let's do some sprinkles. Sprinkle it just a little bit. I say sprinkle it. Ooh. Okay, you want to try it first? Okay, take a bite.
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad?
No.
Let me add some more chocolate and sprinkles to mine. See?
Ooh. I don't really like it.
You don't like it?
Not really.
Oh, put it in here.
Don't like it.
It's okay. I'd rather eat it separate.
Like this.
Yeah. So we got, let's put that to the side. Okay, my turn. I pick, obviously, oh, look at this. A drink. This is the white chocolate milk tea.
Hey, I was gonna pick that.
Uh-oh, well, too bad. I picked it first. We can share it, though. Let's try it. So nice and elegant. Oh, we should shake it. Shake it up.
Take it, take it, take it, take it, shake it, take it.
It's like a watered down.
I like it.
It's like a watered down chocolate milk.
I like it.
It's okay.
I love it.
It's like bubble tea without the bubbles. Okay, your turn. Pick out something.
What's this?
Uh-oh, what is that? Show the camera.
What's this?
Baby bear gummies. What? Hold up. Time out. These melted into just one big blob. This is like, this totally melted, actually. Look. Ew. This got like heated up during the trip, I guess. And these supposedly gummies turned into a melted blob. A melted blob. Okay, that was interesting. Alright, it's my
Tastes
turn.
like melted blob.
Tastes like melted blob. What is this? This looks weird.
That looks like an egg person.
It looks like an egg person. What is this? Look. Look at this. What is this? I don't know what this is. It doesn't tell me. Oh, yeah, it does. Gudetama candy. Who is this? Why and the one and only lovable lazy egg Gudamata. Okay. Let's try this egg Gudamata. Whatever this thing is.
This is made of egg?
Americans try.
Of egg?
Americans try.
That's an egg?
No. What is this? Americans try Japanese candy for the first time. Straight from Japan. Oh, these have different faces on them. On the package. No, actually it doesn't have different faces. Oh yeah, it does have different faces on them. It's like, one's like, the other one's like. Okay, so we're gonna try this one. This is the one we picked out next. Here. Oh boy. This is a hard candy.
Don't really like it.
These taste like those little drinks. Your turn. Pick another one.
Let me see. Do I want?
What's that?
It's a Mickey Mouse.
That's a Mickey Mouse. Okay.
Mickey Mouse and
Ha-
Donald Duck.
Pakuncho Disney custard pudding biscuits.
Let's see what's in here.
Oh! What is this? Oh, okay. This is a Disney themed. This is a monkey. I'm gonna put this to the side. Let me try it. Let's have some
I like the outside.
pudding in the middle.
I like the outside better.
Oh, okay. You can hold on to this. This is okay. My turn. Oh, there's more stuff in the back. Okay, a samurai and a suit. What is this?
I know which one I'm going to pick out next.
I guess I'll try this. What is this? Teriyaki? This is a teriyaki stick? Hold up. What is this? Teriyaki burger?
Huh?
Teriyaki burger flavor? Teriyaki burgers are an incredibly flavorful sandwich that is enjoyed through Japan.
Let's try it.
Umaibo teriyaki burger? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It comes in this stick. What? What? What is this?
Try.
It's like, just look like a hot dog with a hole in the middle.
Ugh.
It smells very teriyaki-ish. You wanna try it? You wanna?
I
No?
licked it.
It's like a giant Cheeto. A giant cheese puff.
Hey!
Hey!
Hey! Got a snack.
Wanna try it? Okay.
Logan likes it.
It's not too bad.
Don't like it.
Okay, he doesn't like it.
I want to try this.
Want to try this? What is it? Looks like... What's this? This is colorful seed soft candy. I think it's supposed to be like some type of sodas. Well, we'll try.
I wonder what flavors.
Wonder what flavors. Oh my gosh. One of them got bunched up. These are like jelly beans. You see? These are like jelly beans.
I don't really like the brown one. Let me try the green one. Green one tastes the same.
We got like sodas or something.
Yeah, it's sweet.
This one I could do without. I'll just eat it. Your turn, Julius. Oh wait, my turn. What is this? I'm scared. I'll try this. What's this? Susu. Look like potato chips.
They're potato chips, but I would have picked those.
Susu. Kalbi plum seaweed chips. Ooh.
Seaweed chips.
Seaweed chips.
Let's try it. I wonder what's
I hope it doesn't explode.
Sounds like it's going to be a bomb.
Explode. Okay, it just looks like regular chips. These look like... Let's take one out. Let's take one out. This look like Lay's chips. Like a regular potato chip with
This tastes like
a sweet flavor.
sour cream.
No?
This tastes
Wanna
like
try it?
the sour cream and onion chip with the crinkles in it.
Okay, let's put them down. And we're back. Your turn.
Oh, I think I like this one.
Oh. Ow. Oh my gosh. Why do I like this? Oh.
Huh?
Why do I like that? Okay, what's this? What's this? Banana Kit Kat. I've never seen that before. Break me off a piece of that banana Kit Kat. Easter banana Kit Kats. Easter break! Oh boy. Here you go. Oh!
Pretty hard to get open.
Oh, what is this? This is super melted, you know?
Let me try one out of your thing.
banana flavored chocolate, crunchy Kit Kat. It's okay, but it's melted.
Don't really like it.
He doesn't like it.
Not really.
Your turn.
Your
No,
turn.
it's my turn. Yeah. Oh man, we're getting to the bottom of the barrel. I'll try this. What is this? I always have to look at the snack guide because it's basically all in Japanese. This is not. Oh, here we go. Corn puff. All right. All right, corn puffs.
Yeah.
These are like onion ring corn puffs. Onion ring corn puffs. You don't like it?
Tastes like corn.
Cheetos?
Corn version cheese doodles.
Cheese doodle.
Tastes almost like it, but a hint
Your
of
turn.
corn. A samurai lemon dip.
Samurai lemon. What is this before we eat it? Oh, I hope the May box is better. What is this? Samurai candy. Okay, we don't. Oh, here we go. Lemon squishy. Lemon squishy candy. I bet you these are melted. What? They're melted. Melted, squashed. Oh my gosh, they're all melted in there, like squashed to the package melted. This smells lemony. I'll rip a piece off. They're pretty good. I wish they weren't melted. They're supposed to be like...
I can't get this out.
They're pretty good. Actually, the flavor is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I like the flavor. I don't like that it's melted. There's like 3 things melted already. Last but not least, this.
What is this?
Caramel corn share pack.
Okay. Logan wants to
Caramel corn with peanuts.
Lulu's here.
Okay. Caramel corn. Caramel corn. It's wink. We actually have another box coming, the May box. That's probably gonna come in June, but it's gonna be the May box. He's going crazy now. Okay, so we're gonna end this video saying if you want to try your own Tokyo treat box, then there is a $5 off promo coupon code that you can use that I will put in the description link down below. Let me know what month treat box you got, and let me know if you liked yours, if you have gotten the Tokyo treat box. And that is all. Say bye-bye. Bye till next treat box.
Bye-bye till next time. Pew.